Today on Run on the Grill, I'm tackling two things I've never done before: smoked pork chops and grilled lettuce. Yes, you heard me right. But check this out, man. Look at these pork chops. Right here, man. Come on, man. I said, come on! I'm gonna smoke these. We're gonna do what is called the reverse-sear method. Now, reverse-sear is just what it sounds like. You think about doing a steak, you sear it first, then you bring it up to temp. Reverse-sear, you do the opposite. You bring it almost up to temp, and then you sear it at the end. Take that bad boy off. I'm gonna smoke these until they get to about 130, and then we're gonna sear them and snatch them. All right, so let's get the wood on, get the lid on, and we'll wait. My grill is up to temp, y'all. It is time to get the pork steaks, I'll call them, on the grill. I'm gonna set a timer for about 40 minutes and then we'll come back out here and see how they're doing. We're coming up on 2 minutes right now, so let's see. Should be ready to flip them. Yeah. That was a little dark, but hey, I'm not mad about it. I'm definitely giving the other side 1 minute though, instead of 2. So let's go. Like a little bit more char on the other 3, but let's see where we are on this one. Yep, right there on the money. So I'm gonna pull that one. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna pull them all, guys, to be honest. I really don't want them to go over 145. I think we're good here. This is probing so tender, they're gonna be really good. There's gonna be some carryover. When I take them off, that's going to be some carryover. That means that the temperature is going to continue to rise for a few minutes. So I think we're going to take these off and just let them rest. Let's put that lid on right now and cover them with some aluminum foil. Meanwhile, we'll get to that romaine lettuce. I can't wait to see how this goes. Now, according to what I've read, we want to leave these intact. We don't want to break them off, but we want to get some olive oil on them and brush it around in here, in between the leaves and everything. Now, if I remember correctly, we're going to cut these into quarters, making sure that we leave all the leaves still attached. All right? So, like that, and like so. Cut them into quarters. A little more balsamic vinaigrette, guys. And some salt and pepper. All right, guys, I got the romaine lettuce right here. We're getting ready to put them on the grill. This is either going to be good or it's going to be a disaster. Either way it goes, though, you're going to find out with me. There it is. Now, I'm thinking since this is lettuce, I probably should not walk away. But we're just going to put them right on, right over the coals. I think I'm doing this right, guys. Let's close the lid and give it a couple of minutes. We'll see what happens. If I leave the lid open, I think I'm going to start getting flare-ups. All right, I'm going to pull this stuff off of here, man. Let's put it on the cutting board. Take it in there. Season it up, put some Parmesan cheese on it, and see what happens. All right, guys, so the jury is still out on this. I think I got a little more practice to do, but it's I like the way it looks, you know. I'm not done yet, but let me cut a little of these, the tops of these off. A couple of things I read said that they cut those off actually before they put them on the grill, which I didn't do. So let's cut those off. These leaves, they get soggy and everything. We'll cut those off, put them to the side. And then let's plate these in something that looks a little bit more attractive. Balsamic vinegar. Mix that up a little bit. Just sprinkling that over there. It does look good, man. I'm telling you. It does look good. All right, so let's get a little taste of the pork chops first. Let's take a little piece right here. Never did this before, let's see. It's very tender, moist, flavorful, I like it. The flavor is not really bold, it's kind of understated. Next time I do it, maybe I'll put something on there for a little kick, but it's very good. All right, let's try this salad. Let's try to get some that's got a little bit of everything on it. All right, here goes everything. hey, that ain't, you know, that's not bad. I kind of like it. It's definitely different. I'm getting a crunch. The salt and pepper with the olive oil and the balsamic vinegar, and then the Parmesan cheese. This is good. I could do it. I got a couple of times to do this. I got a couple more times to do this before I perfect it, but that's a baller plate right there, man. So there it is, man. An entire meal full of stuff I never tried before, and I'm not mad about it. I got a little more tweaking to do, but that's how you grow, man. Thank you for hanging out with me while I experiment. But those pork chops is a keeper, and I think the salad is too, to be honest with you. I'm gonna keep it just so I can say grilled salad. All right, see you next time.